Pit stop to Malibu Beach. I know, right? Like, oh, look, there's a beach. We're like the dog from Up. Squirrel! Only the beach is our squirrel.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do some bodyboarding and boogie boarding, right?
Yeah.
It's no big deal anyway because the races we're going to aren't until next week, so we just got plenty of time, right?
Yeah.
All right. Have fun. Watch for sharks
Yeah, because that's
or
where,
white beach whales.
yeah.
Hey!
This is where that girl got her arm off.
Daily maintenance. Cleaning out the sand.
Huh?
Uh-huh.
I'm up here
What you doing up there?
chilling.
Shoeing the sand? Huh. We didn't vlog much of the beach today because I got a boogie board and I've been boogie boarding all day long.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm excited. Oh, and my tooth went down. Look at that. Yeah!
Yeah, today's a good day.
I know, huh? I had a cooking a dinner.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah?
the master chef.
You're the master chef. Wah, wah, wah.
Hey, that was no wah. I got a hot spoon. Don't sit on me.
I'll give it to you. You're actually a pretty good cook. But hurry up. We're hungry.
I'm trying. You cannot push me.
You can't rush perfection.
Yes, or you won't get food.
True. Look at where we're having dinner. What a good spot to have dinner.
Yes.
Stirring in the eggs.
Yeah.
Gotta stir them in there good. Stir them in there good. Pretty good, Eiley. Good job.
Hot.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
Hot but delicious.
I know, it's our secret recipe.
Yeah.
Should we give it to them?
no.
No. If you comment down below and you beg, we'll give you the ramen burrito secret.
If you comment down below my favorite color, we will tell you.
It's called the secret of the burrito. Dad, going in.
All right, you're going in? Sneak up on him, Eiley. And throw it to him. There's that one on your left. Feeding the seagulls. Oh, now you got a bunch of friends.
You can
Pushing my two grown children in the grocery store in a cap car. What? Are you driving? You running the steering wheel?
I think my car broke. It won't go.
Is that my backup horn? Okay, I'm going forward. You're not driving very well. Found a cool spot to camp,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
What's funny about it is it's about 100 yards from where we were parked all day.
Yeah.
But then we found out that at night, if you're across this little guardrail right here, you can camp. See, there's vans all the way down there, and there's vans all the way down there, and they said it's all good. They do it all the time. So we got oceanfront property.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be surprised if we end up staying here a day or two.
Yeah.
Who knows, huh? Did you guys have fun today?
Yeah.
You look tired. Your eyes hurt from the salt all day. But we're showered and clean now. So we're good. Watching a movie. Time to go to bed.
Thanks for watching.
If you like and subscribe, see you guys next time. Peace.
So if you liked this video and you want to watch our other ones, click over here.
And if you haven't already subscribed, click over here.
And if you want to check out our social media, click up there.
And ride safely and
And always wear a helmet.